Good morning, students. We are continuing our chapter Rational Numbers. Now, I have given the solutions that I have given the assignment in the last session. First question was that 3 by 8 plus 7 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 8 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. I hope all of you have tried the solutions. Now, please look at your notebook and just tally from here that you have done correctly or not. So first of all, what we will do, these two signs we will change them into one sign. First of all, solve this, that 3 by 8 plus 7 by 2. Now plus minus minus. So here will come only one sign, minus 3 by 5. Unlike signs होते हैं तो minus आता है, and same sign, if they are same sign it will come plus, and if they are different sign, unlike sign, it will always come minus. Plus 9 by 8. Again, unlike sign, it will come minus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Now, what we have to do? We will make brackets in which denominators are same. We will put under them one bracket. Like 3 by 8 and plus 9 by 8, they will come under the one bracket. 7 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, it will come under the one bracket. And 3 by 5 and 6 by 5, they will come under the one bracket. Positive sign will come first, then it will come negative sign. So, they are having the same denominators. 3 plus 9 will become 12 and denominator is 8. Similarly, 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 5. And 7 by 2 minus 3 by 2 will become 4 divided by 2. Now, for adding them, because they are all having denominators different, so first of all, we make the denominators same. So, first take the LCM of 8, 5 and 2. Now, everybody knows how to take LCM. This you have done in your previous classes. So, LCM will come 40. So, make denominators 40 in all the fractions or in the rational numbers. Everybody know how to make them 40. 8 में क्या multiply करें कि 40 आ जाएगा? You have to focus on the denominator only. 8 into 5 is 40. So, you multiply this rational number into 5 by 5. It will come out 60 by 40. Similarly, 3 by 5. What you will multiply in 5, that will come 48. So, you will multiply this fraction by 8 by 8. It will come 24 by 40. Similarly, 4 by 2. What you will multiply into it so that it can come 40, 20. So, you will multiply this fraction into 20 by 20, which comes out 80 by 40. Now, all are having the same denominators. So, you can add them easily. 60 plus 24 plus 80. What will it come? 164 by 40. This is the answer. I have reduced in the lowest form. What is the lowest form? That if they're having any common factor, divide them. Like 4 से divide हो सकता है दोनों numbers. 164 is divisible by 4 and 40 is also divisible by 4. So it will come 41 by 10. If you will write the answer 164 by 40, then it is also fine. Okay. So question number 1 is complete. Everybody can check it from here. Now question number 2, 3 by 5. Again first of all, we'll rewrite this statement by putting sign. 3 by 5 plus minus, unlike sign, it will come minus 7 by 6 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Now unlike sign are there, so it will come minus 5 by 6. Now again, जिनके same denominators हैं, we will put them together, and जिनके different denominators हैं, we will put them together. ब्रैकेट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, बट आप साथ साथ उनको रीराइट कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स कि जिनके सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं, यू विल जस्ट राइट देम टुगेदर. Like 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5, they are having same denominator 5. And minus 7 by 6 minus 5 by 6, they are having denominator same, that is 6. So solve them. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 5. Now minus 7 and minus 5. Minus minus, same sign. So you will add them. 7 plus 5, what will come? 12, and sign कौन सा आएगा? Bigger value वाला, तो minus 12 by 6. Now you have to take LCM of 5 and 6 to subtract them, because there's a minus sign. So LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So again, you have to make denominators 30. So what will you do? 5 by 5 into 6 by 6, that is 30 by 30. and 12 by 6 into 5 by 5, that is 60 by 30. Now subtract them, you will get minus 30 by 60. 0 से 0 cancel और आप इसको reduce करेंगे 3 से divide करके, it will come minus 1 by 2. I hope you all have understood. Now let's come our question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now आपको ये पता है there are two methods of finding the rational numbers between them. First method कि find out the mean. Like इन दोनों को आप प्लस करिए और divide by 2 कर दीजिए, तो आपका जो mean आएगा वो एक rational number होगा and then you will take the combinations. Second method कि आप इनको LCM निकालिए और इनका denominator same कर दीजिए and then you can find as many rational numbers between them like we have done it here. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 1 by 2 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर 4 हो जाए, 2 by 2, so it will become 2 by 4 and 1 by 4 is already 1 by 4, so इसको तो हम टच नहीं करेंगे. 1 by 2 को हमने चेंज कर दिया 2 by 4 में. नाउ 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 में तो कोई भी बीच में नंबर्स नहीं है, so what we have done, और हमें तो 5 रैशनल नंबर्स चाहिए, तो हमने एक नंबर लिया 10 by 10 and we multiplied both the rational numbers by 10 by 10. Like 1 by 4 है फर्स्ट नंबर, उसको हमने 10 by 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो क्या आएगा 10 by 40. Similarly 2 by 4 है. Now 2 by 4 को भी हमने 10 by 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, what will it come, 20 by 40. Now between 10 and 20 there are exactly 10 rational numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on, and you have to find out only 5. So out of them you can write any 5. 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, because denominator is 40, so you will write denominator 40. Among any, you can take any 5 rational numbers. We have find out so many rational numbers, but you have to write only 5. So they are both the methods and you can do any one. Now find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and half, 1 by 2. So again we will take the LCM first, that is 10, and one is minus 4 by 10 and second one will come 5 by 10. So what will you do? Numbers lying between minus 4 and 5, there are so many numbers because one is negative and one is positive, and negative and positive numbers के बीच में you can see there are so many numbers like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So आपको कितने निकालने हैं, 10 rational numbers निकालने हैं. So you can write, सबके नीचे आप 10 डिनोमिनेटर्स लगा देंगे because denominator is 10. So 3 minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 0 by 10 is 0. So 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. So you have to find out exactly 10 rational numbers, so you can write them. Sorry, you cannot take 6 by 10 because you have to go up to 5 by 10. So only 5 by 10 you will write the rational numbers. Now find the additive inverse of minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8. Additive inverse. Additive inverse में हम क्या करते हैं? Sign change कर देते हैं, that's it. Because we have to make them 0. Only sign will get changed. तो minus 7 by 8 का additive inverse हो जाएगा 7 by 8 because if you add them it will come out 0. तो additive inverse क्या होता है कि अगर आपको उसके जैसा नंबर मिल जाए जिससे आपको 0 बन जाए वैल्यू. So minus 7 by 8 plus 7 by 8 it will come 0. So additive inverse आपको जब भी निकालना है minus 7 by 8 का, it will just only the sign change. Okay. Now this is a method 2. If you have to find out the two rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, एक method तो था आपने LCM लेके same किया and you have find out the numbers. Now one method is if you have to find out the two rational numbers, then what will you do? Add them and divide by 2. First of all add them, and adding के लिए भी आपको denominator तो same करने ही है. So you will take the LCM. LCM के बाद आपका आंसर आएगा 3 by 4. After taking LCM and you will add them, it will come 3 by 4. Not divided by 2. Divide by 2 means if you multiply, if you put the sign of multiply and 2 का कितना reciprocal कर देंगे आप. ये तो आपने 5th 6th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा ना. अगर डिवाइड का साइन है और डिवाइड की जगह आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. 2 का रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स 2 by 1 है यहाँ पर. It will become 1 by 2. Now you will solve it and it will come 3 by 8. तो इन दोनों के बीच में आपका कौन सा नंबर आया है? 3 by 8 is lying between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So you can write it here. But आपको क्या निकालना है? 2 rational numbers निकालना है. अभी तो 1 ही निकला है आपका. So now you will take any combination 1 by 4 and 3 by 8 or 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So I have taken 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Okay. So again you will take the LCM. LCM is 8. Now make the denominator same. Denominator same करके add कर दीजिए. It will come 5 by 8. Now divided by 2. क्योंकि mean निकाल रहे हैं हम. दोनों को ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है. डिवाइड बाय 2 करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 बाय 2. क्योंकि डिवाइड बाय 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? डिवाइड के साइन की जगह मल्टीप्लाई एंड 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 बाय 2. इट विल कम 5 बाय 16. तो इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में क्या नंबर आया हमारा? 5 बाय 16. So we have to find out exactly two rational numbers. We have find out one number is 3 by 8 and other number is 5 by 16. So these are the two rational numbers between them. So this method is little bit lengthy and time consuming also. So if you have to find out any one or two rational number, you can use this method. An answer will come different of every student because there are many combinations between them. So you can take any one of them. So answers may be different. But if you have to find out more rational numbers than 2, like you have to find out 3 rational numbers, if you have to find out 5 rational numbers, then you are supposed to use this method. This one. First you will take the LCM and you can easily tell which rational numbers are lying between them. This method will be more convenient. And this method is only for finding one or two rational numbers. Okay. So you just know both the methods. Now points to be remembered. Additive inverse, I have already told you that it is a sign change. Minus 5 by 8 का additive inverse हो जाएगा 5 by 8 because if you add them it will become 0. But what is a multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8, इसमें sign change नहीं होता है, इसमें reciprocal हो जाता है, उसी number का reciprocal. So that when you multiply these two numbers, it will come 1. So if you have to find out multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8, so it will become minus 8 by 5. Multiplicative inverse में sign change नहीं होता है, only reciprocal हो जाता है. Now let us take an example. Find multiplicative inverse and additive inverse of this 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 5. What will you do? First of all, solve this. 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, what will it become? 4 into minus 4. Sorry, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and 3 into 3 is 9. So it will come minus 4 by 9. तो पहले हमें क्या निकालना है? Multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of minus 4 by 9, sign change नहीं होगा, only reciprocal हो जाएगा. जो sign है वही आएगा. Like minus है तो minus में ही आएगा and just do the reciprocal 9 by 4. Okay. And additive inverse of minus 4 by 9 is, additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा इसका? minus 4 by 9 का sign change. Additive में sign change हो जाता है, multiplicative में reciprocal हो जाता है. So please don't get confused in these two terms. These are very important. Multiplicative inverse में हमें 1 बनाना होता है और additive inverse में we have to make 0. इसीलिए सिर्फ sign change करते हैं और multiplicative inverse में sign change नहीं करते, just reciprocal करते हैं. Additive inverse is plus 4 by 9 and multiplicative inverse is minus 9 by 4. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now absolute value. What is the absolute value? Absolute value is denoted by bars. Absolute value of a positive rational number is a number itself. Like 4 by 5 is a rational number and you have to find out the absolute value, means bar के अंदर आपका लिखा है 4 by 5. It will come out positive number, the number itself. So absolute value of 4 by 5 is 4 by 5. And absolute value of a negative rational number is always positive. Like if you have to find out the absolute value of minus 2 by 9, so bars के अंदर आप क्या लिखेंगे? minus 2 by 9 and it will come out positive. Means absolute value हमेशा positive ही रहती है. अगर positive है already तो positive रहेगा और अगर negative है तो भी positive हो जाएगा. So absolute value of any rational number is always positive. And 0 का तो 0 रहता ही है. Absolute value of 0 is always 0. Absolute value is basically the distance from the origin. And distance कभी भी negative में नहीं आता है. That's why इसका आंसर हमेशा absolute value में positive ही आता है. Because this is a distance from the origin basically. Now this is your book, JC book. उसके मैंने कुछ पेजेस आपको यहाँ पर दिखाए हैं. There is one example. I hope it is clear to all of you. Verify that x divided by y, this is divide sign, this is not plus sign, x divided by y into z is not equal to x divided by y into z. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एग्जाम में कि आपको ये स्टेटमेंट सॉल्व करनी है एंड बताना है कि ये इक्वल है या अनइक्वल है. तो इस केस में आप क्या करते हैं, एक्स वाई जेड की यू हैव गिवन द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व LHS. LHS is what? X divided by y into z. So first of all plot the values. X is 2 by 3, y is 1 by 11 and z is minus 5 by 6. So you have to solve this. Now division है, division की जगह multiply करके इसका reciprocal कर देंगे. What will it become? 11 by 1. 1 by 11 का हो जाएगा 11 by 1. Then solve this and you will get the answer minus 55 by 9. Similarly RHS. X divided by y into z. 2 by 3 divided by y into z. 1 by 11 into minus 5 by 6. First solve the bracket. Bracket solve करेंगे. Divide का sign है बाहर. मीन्स डिवाइड की जगह मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. जब भी आप डिवाइड का साइन देखेंगे यू विल पुट अ साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई एंड डू इट द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ इट. तो 66 माइनस 5 इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो माइनस 44 बाय 5. आर दे कमिंग इक्वल LHS एंड RHS? नो. सो यू विल राइट दैट LHS इज नॉट इक्वल टू RHS. हैंस दिस स्टेटमेंट वेरीफाई कर दिया आपने कि ये नॉट इक्वल है. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम्स में आते हैं. We will do such kind of questions in the next class. It's just an example. Now here is 1.1 exercise of your JC book. आपको this year आपको यही book follow करनी है. I just try to put exercise 1.1 so that you can try at home. And in this exercise there are 11 questions are there. So you can try on your own, and if you have any query, so just I will just mail me and I will try to solve the next session. Which of the following are rational numbers? आपको बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा rational number है. And write numerator and denominator. First is 2. 2 is a rational number because if you put 2 upon 1, 1 is a denominator and is a rational number because rational numbers की definition क्या होती है? What is the definition of rational numbers? Any number that can be written in P by Q form but Q should not be 0. डिनोमिनेटर में 0 कभी भी नहीं होता रैशनल नंबर में. सो इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सभी रैशनल नंबर्स हैं एक्सेप्ट फोर्थ पार्ट 4 by 0 बिकॉज इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में 0 लिखा है. एंड इन डेफिनेशन डिनोमिनेटर कैन नेवर बी 0. So only fourth part is not a rational number. Otherwise all the parts are all parts are rational number and you can write the numerator and denominator also. जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है आप उसमें 1 पुट कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी. आइडेंटिफाई पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स. ये तो बता देंगे कि कौन सा नेगेटिव है कौन सा पॉजिटिव है. एक्सप्रेस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स इफ देयर इज एनी कॉमन फैक्टर तो डिवाइड देम. लाइक 21 upon 63 इट्स हैविंग कॉमन फैक्टर 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं आप दोनों को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करना है, अलग अलग नहीं. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस minus 21 by 63 by 3. So you will get minus 7 upon 21 and again it can be further divided by 7. So you can get the answer. Standard form means कि जब तक आप उसको कॉमन फैक्टर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं मीन्स HCF से. बेसिकली HCF से आपको उसको डिवाइड करना है तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ये हमने पहले भी किया है. कंपेरेबल कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है ये हमने पहले भी किया है. एवरीवन कैन डू दिस. और अगर आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं लगते हैं तो आप उसका एलसीएम लेंगे, उनको एलसीएम लेके उनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करेंगे. देन यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट विच वन इज बिगर एंड विच वन इज स्मॉलर. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव में तो आपको इजीली पता लग जाएगा कि कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है. बट इफ both are positive or both are negative, so just do one thing, take their LCM and make denominator same, and then you can easily find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Now using appropriate property. Now this is the same question that we have done in just example. Like you have to use a property in solving them. Just try it, otherwise I will solve this in the next session. Write the additive inverse. आपको additive inverse समझ में आ गया, सिर्फ साइन चेंज होता है. And write the multiplicative inverse, उसमें सिर्फ reciprocal होता है, साइन चेंज नहीं होता. Okay? So I hope that you will be able to do this exercise now. Now verify the following and name the property. This is the same question. Multiply minus 4 by 5 by the reciprocal of 9 by 8. What will you do? Minus 4 by 5 multiply. इसका reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 8 by 9. उसको multiply करके दिखाना है आपको. अब आपको बताना है multiplicative inverse क्या है? minus 2 1 by 5. क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5 minus 11 by 5. अब इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? minus 5 by 11. This one is correct. So now answer the following. The rational number which has no reciprocal. कौन सा rational number है इसका reciprocal ही नहीं है? 0. The rational numbers which are self reciprocal. जो self reciprocal है 1 and minus 1. इनका reciprocal भी यही आएगा. Self reciprocal होते हैं ये numbers. तो ये I hope आप इसको try करिए. I hope you will be able to do it. So and if you have any problem, please mail me at shwetagarwalgps@gmail.com. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.